We're at Barley Rise in Launceston to see this 2-bedroom semi-detached property which has got lovely views to the rear. There's tandem parking to the side and there's also a little store there as well. So come on in. Lovely house that was only built a few years ago. So you're welcomed by a little entrance hall which leads into open plan lounge, kitchen, diner. It's a really lovely sized kitchen. Got a breakfast bar just there. Bit of open understairs storage. So lounge has lovely patio doors to the rear. There is also a downstairs WC. Factors in the stairs, which is quite a nice little feature. So out in the garden, it's been really nicely landscaped with patio and then onto stone chippings. There is a side gate there as well. So really low maintenance, few shrubs to look after. Look at them views there. So as we lead back through, I'll show you to upstairs. Little cupboard there for utilities, and upstairs I'll show you to the smaller of the bedrooms first, which looks out onto the front. It's got 2 windows, which is really nice. Good size, and it also has a little bit of storage up here. Leading back through, you've got bathroom with shower over. Finally is the master bedroom, which really takes in the best of this lovely view.